The following is a product demo for eThor's new all-in-one order and pay at table solution for Oracle Simphony. For the first time ever, servers can place orders and take EMV point-to-point encrypted payments on one handheld device. The solution also supports all major acquirers such as Fiserv, TSYS, Heartland, Elevon, Vantiv, WorldPay, and Chase. Gone are the days of bulky tablets with bolted-on EMV readers. eThor has a variety of device options that fit naturally in hand and accommodate both casual and upscale environments. The devices are large enough to handle the menu while small enough to slip into an apron or back pocket. Leverage the enterprise-grade functionality of Oracle POS coupled with the efficiency of handheld ordering and payments in one. This will let you spend more time with guests and less time running to and from the point-of-sale terminals. Let us show you how it works. Here we have the payment device on the left and Oracle Simphony on the right. As a server, we'll go ahead and log into the payment device with the same credentials as the POS. Here we see a list of our current open tables. If we log into Simphony and go to Open Checks, we will see the same open tables. On the device, to start a new table, we simply select the plus sign on the bottom right of the screen. We then select the table from the table map. You'll notice the tables already occupied are grayed out. And now we enter the guest count. We are now in the table. The menus and items will be pulled directly from Simphony. On the device, the menus will show on the left and the items on the right. By default, we can start ringing in our order under Seat 1. Here we are ringing in our drinks, appetizers, and entrees all at once, but you will follow your standard ordering procedures in a live restaurant environment. You will note that any required modifiers will prompt as you move through the menu. To change the seat number, simply select the number 1 on the bottom left of the device. Once on seat 2, we can ring in the desired items. When the orders are entered, we choose the check icon in the bottom left, and this will take us to the order review screen. We quickly check that our order is accurate before sending and select Send. As the order sends, it will populate within Simphony. Here on the Simphony screen, you will see Table 15 appear, and the same table will be on the device. Now, if the table is ready to pay, we simply select it from the table list on the device. In this example, we are going to assume the guest would like to split the bill. We choose Split, select Split by Seat, and we will now see individual totals per seat. We highlight Seat 1 and select Pay. At this point, the device is typically handed to a guest. In this case, they choose Credit NFC and select the desired tip option. The guest confirms the amount and is prompted for payment. Once payment is complete, the software will update the check. The customer will then choose their receipt option. In this case, we choose No Receipt. After the receipt option has been chosen, the device will typically be handed back to the server, and then we move on to the next seat, in this case, Seat 2. With Seat 2 highlighted, we select Pay and hand it to the second guest. The guest chooses Credit NFC and selects the desired tip option. In this case, the guest enters a custom amount using the Other button and confirms the amount. The guest is prompted for card payment, and once complete, our software will update the check. The guest will then choose their receipt option. In this case, the guest has chosen a digital emailed receipt. After the receipt option is chosen, the workflow is complete, and the table will automatically close out in Simphony. If you want to view the transactions from the device, you can simply push the 3 lines in the upper left of the device screen and select Transactions. We can see our most recent transactions at the top of the list. When selecting, we can view the transaction details and reprint receipts if needed. You will also have the option to view transactional information on your processor's cloud portal or a device portal. In this example, we will be showing a browser-based Clover dashboard. This is great for any above-store transaction or device management. Here we log into the Clover dashboard. We can select Transactions/Payments from the left-hand side of the screen. We default to today, but can choose other dates as needed. We can see all transactions on this day. For this demo, we are seeing examples of the orders processed earlier. If we choose Details on the right-hand side of a transaction, This brings us to the transaction details where we can see the amount, card type, and last 4 digits. If we need to see the receipt, we can choose View Payment Receipt. This will bring a copy of the payment receipt onto the screen. To go back to your transaction list, we simply close the Receipt tab and select Back to Payments. That concludes our Order and Pay It table demo. In summary, the solution helps to improve table turns with faster service, increase revenue and lower labor costs, modernize the payment experience for guests and staff, eliminate countless trips to and from the POS terminals, and increase server tips and help reduce staff turnover. Please contact us today to schedule a call with one of our product specialists.